guys, a warm welcome to everyone. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to this channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a powerful hair tonic using rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon. Rosemary is packed with nutrients that are essential for a healthy scalp and promotes hair growth. Some people with alopecia have reported positive results as well. Cinnamon is known to boost circulation to the scalp. It is also effective in treating dandruff, strengthens the roots, and reduces hair breakage as well as soften the hair. Cloves is effective in nourishing the scalp, reduces hair fall, and promotes hair growth. First, we're going to put 1 cinnamon stick into a glass jar. Then you're going to put a sprig of rosemary in the jar as well. You can use either the dry or green. Add 1 tablespoon of cloves to the bottle. Add 2 cups of water to the bottle. Close the jar tightly and place it in a dark, cool area in your home until next day. This will allow all the active components from these herbs and spices to be released into the water. The next day, after opening the bottle with your rosemary, cloves, and cinnamon tonic, strain it into another bottle. If you want it darker than how it is right now, you can leave it for longer and you get a richer, browner color. Okay, and then the spray bottle is a great way to spritz your hair with this hair tonic easily. And as you can see, I can't resist smelling it. I had to smell this wonderful mixture that I'm going to put in my hair. You could use it 2 to 3 times a week as a leave-in tonic for your hair, nourish your hair. You don't need to wash it out. It will do your hair wonders. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me talk about this wonderful hair tonic. And once again, I thank you for coming to watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and share, comment. Until we see each other again, thanks again. Have a blessed day. Bye.